flipping through a girl's magazine, and there's my home angel on the pages in between. My blood runs cold, my memory has just been sold. My angel is the centerfold, angel is the centerfold. My blood runs cold, my memory has just been sold. Angel is the centerfold. Slip me notes under the desk while I was thinking about her dress. I was shy, turned away before she caught my eye. I was shaking in my shoes whenever she flashed those baby blues. Something had a hold on me when Angel passed close by. Those soft, fuzzy sweaters, too magical to touch. To see her in that negligee is really just too much. My blood runs cold, yeah, my memory has just been sold. My angel is the centerfold, angel is the centerfold. My blood runs cold, my memory has just been sold. Oh yeah, angel is the centerfold. It's okay, I understand. This ain't no never land. I hope that when this issue's gone, I'll see you when your clothes are on. Take your car, yes we will. We'll take your car and drive it. We'll take it to a motel room and take them all private. A part of me has just been ripped. The pages from my mind are stripped. Oh no, I can't deny it. Oh yeah, I guess I gotta buy it. My blood runs cold, my memory has just been sold. My angel is the centerfold, angel is the centerfold. My blood runs cold, my memory has just been sold. My angel is the centerfold.
You heard about the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, he's a truck driving legend in the South today. A man called Bandy from Atlanta, GA. Every gear jammer knows his name. He swears got eyes for the running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh, honey hook. Well, he left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Mount Eagle and it started to rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down grade when he lost a gear. He reached for the brakes, found he had no air. The Mount Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen him thought the Bandy was gone. But listen. Well, his truck jackknife turned completely around. He was coming down back about the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen him, and they all say he had his head out the window yelling, clear the way. Well, he got to the bottom, safe and sound. Everybody asked Bandit how he made it down. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, I just run along beside it and drug my feet. You heard the legend of Jesse James, John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, he's a truck driving legend in the South today. A man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Every gear jammer knows his